Big news from the Delhi High Court protecting the personality rights of Bollywood superstar Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. The court has taken a strong stand against unauthorized use of her name, images, and even artificial intelligence to misuse her personal attributes. Justice Tejas Karia emphasized that any misuse not only violates Aishwarya's right to privacy but also harms her reputation and dignity. He said, personality rights of individuals, simply put, entail the right to control and protect the exploitation of one's image, name, likeness, or other attributes of the individual's personality, in addition to the commercial gains that can be derived from the same. The court further explained that using someone's personal attributes without permission has two serious effects. First, it stops people from controlling how their personality is used commercially. Second, it invades their privacy, which hurts their right to live with dignity. In other words, the unauthorized exploitation of the attributes of an individual's personality may have two facets. First, violation of their right to protect their personality attributes from being commercially exploited, and second, violation of their right to privacy, which in turn leads to undermining their right to live with dignity, the court said. Justice Karia also told Google to take down the URLs that misuse Aishwarya's images within 72 hours, showing that the courts won't ignore such cases. But that's not all. Aishwarya's husband, actor Abhishek Bachchan, has also moved the Delhi High Court for similar protection of his personality rights. He wants websites and platforms banned from using his photos, likeness, or any fake videos, even sexually explicit content without his permission. Abhishek's petition also targets websites which allegedly sell t-shirts and merchandise featuring Bollywood stars, including him, without authorization. So, it's clear, the courts are cracking down hard on the unauthorized use of celebrities' images and personal details, whether through AI or other means. Both Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan are setting strong examples for protecting privacy and personality rights in the digital age. Stay tuned for more updates on this story.